Hi everyone. So in today's lecture, we'll be doing formulas. You must have been doing formulas from your earlier classes. So it's nothing but they are used as a mathematical equations in which you substitute different values in place of letters and you get different answers for that, right? Suppose you are calculating an area, so you have to use length and breadth for it. So you can use a formula for area and you can determine it's for triangle. Suppose for rectangle, it is length time breadth. Okay. So you can use that, right? So what is formula? Formula is a mathematical rule or a equation that shows you how to find the value of one quantity using others. Formulas are used in many real life situations, for example, to calculate area, volume, or speed in maths and science. Okay, so what you have to do, there will be letters written in this place of these letters. You will be substituting values according to your needs and you get your answer. Suppose here it is showing that this formula is S is equals to R plus 1, right? So whatever R you are getting, one more than that, you'll be getting S. Suppose if I substitute R equals to 1, I'll get S equals to 2. Suppose if I substitute R equals to 2, I'll get S equals to 3, right? So whatever R I'm uh, input, whatever R I put as an input, I get one more than that as S, right? Now suppose if I have this formula, S is equals to 3 times R. You have to find when R is equals to 5. So whatever R you have, 3 times of that you have S. So you just substitute R as 5 in this one and then you'll get 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, so let's see. The rental cost of a bike can be found using the formula 5C is equal to 5H plus 10. So 5 times the cost plus the number of hours, right? You have your equation. 5 times the number of hours plus 10. That's what you have as a rental cost. Okay. So H is the number of hours is rented. Okay. So actually here it is forgot to print. You have to find for 4 hours, right? So C I'll be calculating as 5H plus 10. And when I substitute H is equals to 4, I get C is equals to 5 times 4 plus 10. I get 20 plus 10. So C I get it as 30. This is it. Right? So H equals to 4. So 5 times 4 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30. So formulas are very useful tool in both mathematics and science, and they shows how the quantities are related to one another. Right? Now suppose if you have area of rectangle as length time width and volume of cuboid as length time width time height. Right? So in science you have speed is equals to distance over time and pressure is equals to force over area. So calculate the area of parallelogram. We use the formula area is equals to base times height, right? Remember, area is base times height. Here base is given to me 9 meter, height is given to me 4 meter. So I can write area as base times height, and base is 9 meter, height is 4 meter. So area I'll get 9 times 4, which is 36 meters square. Right? You can see here base times height 9, 4, 36 meters square. So this is how you can use the formulas to get out the things.